Alright guys, this is how you make mozzarella sticks. First, you grab a plate. Then you go to the freezer and you would find some mozzarella sticks that some kind of fell behind because your stupid ass brother's pizza was in the way. I only found 5, so I guess I'm gonna get some more from the bag. It is actually microwaving. There you go. You have to put them at 3 minutes. You can see. You heard my sister. She said that. Yeah, 3 freaking minutes. Ow, my head. Oh, my head. It kind of hurt. While it's microwaving, get out your tomato sauce. You see, I have Prego, which is still considered tomato sauce. You can see right here where I'm holding. And Prego, it's still considered, even though it says it's Italian sauce. So it's Italian, even though it has other ingredients, like I don't know. And would you look at that? We have like 1.5 minutes. Yeah, 1.5. So we just gotta look at them. Look at them heating up. Would you look at that? They're heating up. Oh yeah, you can see some cheese. You can see some cheese. Some more cheese. Look at that. I mean, like, the mozzarella sticks are like so cheesy. And plus I even have this microwave. Even though there's some sparks inside, that cockroaches like get inside, so that could scare me and my family. So when you look at that, it's cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Oh, ba-ba-da-ba-da. It's finished. Now you take out your delicious golden brown sticks, and then you add some tomato sauce. And make sure to take your Prego back to the fridge so that other people could use it. Like you can make some tortilla pizza, and there you have it, mozzarella sticks. Hope you guys see the next video. Bye.